Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm going to be doing a different kind of video. I wanted to do a DIY craft kind of video. A few weeks ago I did a reverse tie-dye with bleach and it turned out super cool. So I have a few more shirts that I wanted to do it too, so I figured I would film it. I figured since most people are still in quarantine, it's something fun to do. So I have this black shirt from Fruit of the Loom and I got it in a size large just because I like a little bit of a baggier t-shirt. And then I have this Beatles shirt, and this used to be one of my favorite shirts, but I honestly never wear it anymore, so I figured doing the reverse tie-dye on it would make me want to wear it more. I also have these black sweatpants from Pink or Victoria's Secret, one of the two. They are super old and they actually already have some bleach on them, so I figured I might as well just like put some more bleach on it and see how it turns out. And so I am gonna change my outfit. When you do this, you do want to wear something that you don't mind getting bleach on, because there is the possibility of splash or like it getting on you by accident. And then I'm gonna head outside because you want to do this somewhere where it's well ventilated, or outside where you're not going to be breathing in the fumes. From there, I'll show you all the products you need. You're going to need bleach. I got this from Target. And then I have a spray bottle, but you can use like a squeezy type bottle, and it already has bleach in it. I have some rubber gloves because you do want to protect your skin. I have a cardboard box that I just cut it completely like open to lay the clothes out on. I have some rubber bands. You don't necessarily need these, but I like to do it with rubber bands. And then I also grabbed some plastic shopping bags just to lay the clothes out on once I spray them. I'm gonna start off with the Fruit of the Loom shirt, and for this I'm just gonna do like a scrunching kind of method. So I'm gonna start up here and just kind of scrunch it together. That's what it's looking like. I am doing this with one hand right now, so I'm gonna pop off camera and put some rubber bands on and show you what it looks like after. This is what it looks like once I put the rubber bands on it. I only used 3. It's okay if it's not perfect because it's just gonna make it come out looking even cooler. And like I said, you don't have to use rubber bands, but I just prefer to do it like that. Next I'm gonna do my Beatles t-shirt, and I think for this I'm gonna do a spiral method. So I'm just gonna grab it into the middle and twist. And then you just kind of want to like twirl it all together. It's easier when you have both hands to do it, but so same thing. I'm gonna go off camera, put the rubber bands on it, and then I'll show you what it looks like. I just used 3 rubber bands, and so that's how it's looking. And now for the sweatpants, I think I'm just gonna do a scrunch method again. I think I'm just gonna start at the bottom of the legs and just kind of scrunch them together. Okay, so I have my rubber gloves on and I have my bottle of bleach. So I'm gonna start off with the plain shirt. So because I have the rubber bands on them, I think what I'm gonna do is every other, so this one, and this one, I'm just gonna start spraying it on. And it is fine if it gets on the other pieces, like it's not that bad. And as you can see, like it's already changing really quickly. I'm gonna just flip the shirt over, and you do want to remember where you sprayed, but you can kind of see it. I'm just gonna move this over to one of the plastic bags. So I'm just gonna let that sit. So I'm gonna do like, yeah, I'm gonna go every third, just so like the whole shirt isn't dyed. And now for the pants, I'm just gonna spray them. I'm not gonna like worry about doing like a particular design or anything. And I'm actually just gonna leave those there. So now that I've sprayed everything, I'm just gonna let it sit for like 5 minutes to just soak in and do its thing, and then I'll bring everything inside and I will show you what to do next. Okay, so I'm inside now. The clothes were sitting out for like 5 minutes, so I'm just gonna take some scissors and cut the rubber bands. And then I'm just gonna put the clothes in the tub. And so this is what just the plain shirt is looking like so far. And then there's the Beatles shirt. Okay, so next I'm just gonna rinse the clothes out with water. I'm not gonna be able to film it, but that's what I'm doing. Okay, so I just put the clothes into the washer, and now I'm just gonna add some detergent. And this is the one I'm using, Arm & Hammer OxiClean with Odor Blasters. It's just what I have, so honestly just use whatever you have at home. It should work fine. And then I'm gonna do a normal or like short cycle, cold water, and then small load. So I'm just gonna let the clothes wash, and then afterwards I'll put them in the dryer, and then I'll show you how they turn out. Okay, so the clothes have been washed and dried, and I also let them sit outside in the sun for a little bit to dry them a little bit more. So this is what the plain shirt is looking like. This is the front. And then here's the back. And then here's the Beatles shirt. It's the front. And then the back. And then the sweatpants. These actually came out looking a lot better than they did when I first saw them. So I'm gonna go ahead and try everything on and show you what it looks like. So here is the plain black t-shirt on. Okay, so here is the Beatles shirt on. And now here I have the sweatpants on. I love how everything turned out. This is such a fun thing to do, especially because we're all stuck in quarantine. And if you have old clothes, it gives them a new life. I'm definitely going to be doing this again. I think out of the 3, my favorite pieces are probably the 2 shirts. Let me know down below what your favorite piece was that I made. And if you end up doing this yourself, leave a comment down below, or feel free to tag me. My social medias will be down below. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And make sure that you're subscribed. If there's anything else you would like to see from me, leave a comment down below, and I will see you all in my next video.